Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add music to Instagram when you are using a PC or a laptop. First, it is important to understand something. On a PC or laptop, there is currently no official way to add music to Instagram Notes. The Notes feature with music is only available in the Instagram mobile app. Some people try using Android emulators to access it, but this can violate Instagram rules and may risk your account being restricted or suspended. While you cannot add music to Instagram Notes on PC officially, there is still a workaround if your goal is simply to share music on Instagram. You can add music to your Instagram story using a browser extension. Start by opening your web browser. Then look at the top right corner and click on the three dots. From the menu, hover your mouse over Extensions. After that, choose the option that takes you to the Chrome Web Store. Inside the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar and type Insist. When you find the extension called Insist, click Add to Chrome and install it. Once the extension is installed, open the Insist extension. It will load Instagram inside the extension interface. From the left side menu, click on Assistant. Then select Publish Story. Now choose a file from your computer. This can be a picture or a video. After selecting the file, click on the Music option. Search for any artist or song name you want to use. Select the track and then publish your story. That is how you can share music on Instagram from a PC. Thanks for watching.